Here we are, what is this, February? Yeah, like February 2021. This is the 59 El Camino. We're out here in San Bernardino. Just a big old junkyard, basically. Found the 59 and
the beauty of the Chevy Shape 4 59. The brawn of the Task Force line, now wedded to bring you the exciting El Camino, Chevrolet's all-new El Camino.
What's happening, everybody? We're very excited to announce that we are starting a new series on a 59 El Camino turnkey custom build at Mackey's Hot Rod Shop. Hey, thanks for joining us. I'm Brian Mackey. This is Mackey and Machine YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching and following along. We're starting this new series. It's a 6-month build. Here's what we're starting with. 59 El Camino that I pulled out of the desert in Ontario, California. Original California survivor, but it is mangled and rotted to death. There's rust everywhere. We have our work cut out for us. Luckily, we have on board with us a couple great companies like Classic Industries that make all of the repair panels. We're gonna be fine on the metal fabrication. We have a great crew downstairs, Mr. Lee, Nigel, and Brandon. They will handle all the rust repair. The plan for this build, it's a mystery client. You guys aren't gonna know who it is. We're excited to unveil it in 6 months when we do the final unveil of who this customer is. The plan, 59 El Camino body, roadster shop chassis, LS engine, 600 horse, 4-speed automatic, air conditioning, power brakes, power steering, power windows, jet black gloss paint, black interior. But we need your help with deciding on piping, deciding on stitching color. Your comments, we listen. Let us know what you think. For sure though, we have jet black exterior. So we've got to kind of match something on the interior. 17s and 18s, high polish. All the chrome and all the stainless is going to be redone in high polish. It's going to be a total turnkey, stunning looking build, slammed on the ground, static dropped. Lots of power, lots of noise, mostly original looking. I think it's going to be the perfect blend of Resto Mod meets Mackey's Hot Rod Shop, kind of grit and power and class. Stay with us. We're going to have a 6-month build right here that we unveil weekly on YouTube. You guys turn on that notification. Make sure if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, share on all these videos. Even a thumbs up helps us so much. We want to document this for you guys, show a complete build process of how we do it here at the shop. The only difference is we're speeding this one up. 6-month build. It is so fast for us to be doing it this way, but we like it. It's entertaining for you guys to watch. Be a part of it. We appreciate it. Stay tuned. Don't forget, weekly drops every Friday, 12 noon Pacific Standard Time. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
we're gonna get ready to pull this thing out of here, man. Got some wheels on it, and Kevin's hooking the chain up, get it back to Huntington Beach.
What's happening, everybody? Brian from Mackey's Hot Rod Shop with our new YouTube channel, Mackey and Machine. Listen, we are asking for your support. Subscribe, like, share, all of it. You've heard it time and time again. You know what to do. We need you guys. And in exchange for your support, we are giving a box full of merch from the shop. Hats, sweatshirts, t-shirts, beanies, stickers, all of it shipped right to your door for your support. Thank you. We appreciate you. Stay tuned. New videos every week, new shorts. Turn on the notification. Thank you.